Salamat.
Zion, thank you kasi tinulungan mo akong makatapos kahapon. Pero si Lolo sabi kailangan maoperahan. Teka, binugbog ka ni Calix?
Medyo lumaban lang. I mean, nakasapak naman ako kay Ponzi, kaso wala eh. Ang dami kasi nila, pinagtulungan nila ako.
Pumunta tayo sa klinik.
Angel, hindi na. Baka lumaki pa yung gulo. Sasabihin ko na lang kay Ma'am Dragona na, ewan, nahulog ako sa hagdan. Nauntog, di ba?
Sigurado ka?
Oo, okay lang to.
Did I hear my name?
Ma'am Dragona, hindi ho namin kayo pinag-uusapan.
Angel, come to my office. I need to talk to you and Calix.
Opo, Ma'am. Shucks! Di kaya dahil sa nangyari kahapon? Baka ma-expel kami ni Calix. Shucks!
Now, Angel.
Opo, Ma'am. Ma'am Dragona, yung nangyari po kahapon, si Calix po yung nagsimula nun. Magpapaliwanag po ako.
Ano nangyari kahapon?
Do it, Calix! Punch her!
Uy!
Hoy! Hoy! Yung bangga!
Angel, tumawag ka na, Billy! Tama ako, Angel!
Tumapit ka dyan!
Ma'am Dragona, why did you call us here? I was just gonna review for the regional QuizCon tomorrow.
That's exactly the reason why you are here. Calix, your partner Frida cannot join you at the QuizCon tomorrow because she's in the hospital. And that's the reason why you are here, Angel. Ikaw ang gusto kong bago maging kapartner ni Calix for the regional QuizCon, which will be happening tomorrow.
Regional QuizCon po, Ma'am? Tapos tomorrow na po agad?
Yes, I know it's crunch time for review, but because of your stellar performance in this school, I have enough faith in you.
Don't you dare na tanggapin to. If you do, I'll make your life hell. Ayoko maging partner ka.
Okay. Well, the prize money is going to be 35,000 pesos. And if you guys win, you will share this between the two of you.
Ako nang bahalang dumiskarte sa lahat. Dodoblehin ko yung pagla-live selling ko ng tulong para maraming order sa atin.
Mama, bebe, tutulong po ako. Maghahanap ako ng parang para kumita ng pera. Tinatanggap ko po, Ma'am Dragona.